Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see a very delicious and unique potato recipe, which is baby potato with sesame seeds or Til Wale Aloo. So friends, let's get started with this delicious and interesting potato recipe. So for the recipe, I have taken here around half kg of baby potatoes which has been washed and boiled, and then I have peeled off the skin. And now with the help of a fork, I will poke or prick the potatoes here and there in this way, so that when we cook them, all the spices and flavors are well absorbed by the potatoes. And now comes the important ingredient of the recipe, which is sesame seeds. I have taken here 2 tablespoons of black sesame seeds and 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. If you are not aware, sesame seeds are a good source of fiber and vitamin B. They also help in lowering blood pressure level and cholesterol. They are also very good for the skin and hair. Now if you want, you can either use white sesame seeds or the black only, but I will combine both and use in my recipe. So first I'm going to slightly roast them. For that, heat a karhai or a pan and add both the black and the white sesame seeds. And on medium flame we will dry roast them until we get an aromatic smell of the sesame seeds and they start to splutter. So these are done. I will turn off the flame and allow them to cool down slightly. Once these have cooled down, transfer the sesame seeds to a mixer grinder. I have kept separately few sesame seeds for garnishing. And now we will grind this to a coarse powder first. Let's check once. Next I will add 2 Kashmiri dry red chilli, which I will break into small portions. Then goes a small portion of tamarind, a very small portion of jaggery to balance the taste, some salt for taste, and little water so that we can grind this to a smooth paste. Let's check now again. While grinding, add water accordingly to make a very smooth and thick paste, and our sesame paste is ready. This is kind of a savory, spicy, sweet and tangy paste which is so very flavorful. And now we shall start with the cooking process. So I'm going to add around 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil in a karhai. And when the oil is hot, I will add half teaspoon of cumin seeds or Sabut Zeera and 1 dry red chilli. Next goes 1 medium onion which has been chopped into very small portions. Saute the onions for a while. Then goes 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And we will saute them until the onions are fried well and the raw taste of ginger garlic goes away. By now the onions and ginger garlic paste has been fried well, and into this I will add 1 green chilli sliced into half. And now time to add the boiled potatoes. Saute the baby potatoes for 1 to 2 minutes. And now I'm going to season the potatoes with half teaspoon of salt or as per taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, half teaspoon of black pepper or Kalimirch, half teaspoon of coriander or Dhaniya powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Now mix everything well so that the spices coats well with the potatoes. Alright, now reduce the flame to low and we will cover and cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let's shake the potatoes now. So the potatoes are fried and coated well with the spices. Now time to add the sesame paste which we had prepared earlier. And we need to saute the sesame paste so that they coat well with the baby potatoes. Remember to keep the flame on low. Keep on stirring the potatoes in between so that the sesame paste don't get burned. Also continue to keep the flame on low. And now I will add little water from the bowl where I kept the sesame paste. If you want to make gravy, you can add more water, but I want to keep it dry, so I have added little water only. And now I will cover this and let the baby potatoes simmer in the sesame paste for just 2 minutes. It's almost 2 minutes now. You can see the sesame paste has released its oil, and this is the consistency I want. Neither gravy nor very dry. Finally, I will add some chopped coriander leaves to complete the dish, and 1 chopped green chilli if you prefer extra spiciness. Give this a final mix. And our dish is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our baby potatoes with sesame or Til Wale Aloo. I will garnish with some more chopped fresh coriander leaves and the roasted black and white sesame seeds which I had kept separately earlier. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious and interesting baby potato recipe. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.